Lint's master chocolatier Thomas is here today so we can have a little taste of chocolate. I do want to learn how to taste good quality chocolate.
Oh, great, because quality chocolate is actually quite complex. So it's almost a bit like doing a wine tasting. It's actually worth doing a couple of important steps to get the best out of the chocolate. So grab your piece of Excellence 70%, which is a really good base chocolate to sort of show you what we talk about.
Yeah.
So we talk about 5 senses. So the first thing you would need to look at is that nice sheen. When you turn it into the light, you want to see that really nice gloss. And that's a good indication that the chocolate has got perfect temper and we looked after it perfectly for you. The next thing, chocolate has actually got a melting point that's below our body temperature. So give the chocolate a little bit of a rub and you see it actually should leave a mark on there. And that just indicates that as soon as you put the chocolate in your mouth, it would actually start to melt as well, which is exactly what you want your chocolate to be. So the next thing might be a little bit different, but we actually can listen to chocolate as well. So take that piece up to your ear and break it in half. That's exactly what you want to hear. Nice and firm, loud snap. Again, it's all about the density of the chocolate and that it's actually perfectly in temper as well. And now we're sort of starting to get into the good bits, but before you taste chocolate, take it up to your nose and give it a deep smell. So with 70%, you really get those sort of fruity aromas, the nice deep sort of roast of the cacao beans and a bit of vanilla as well. So it's really, really complex. And then, of course, the best bit, when you taste chocolate, take a bite, let the chocolate slowly melt on your tongue and allow those flavors to unfold on your palate. So chocolate is actually made up of several hundred flavor components, so it's really, really complex and just worth taking your time to get the best out of tasting chocolate.
Yeah, and also worth getting the best quality chocolate because you can taste it. And once you taste good quality chocolate, you don't go back.
Perfect.
Thanks, Thomas.
Enjoy.